Hello everyone, the Grundy Rail Fan here. Check out my buddy Chris Stump's shipping company, trucking company, not shipping company. About had another mess up like last year. But check it out. I'm gonna take it off and show my ugly hair a little bit to show the graphics on his company called Pony Express's new one size fits all ball cap. Shout out to them. And there's Dad coming in with a big old light here. Now, yes, this has become more of a Christmas tradition now. This is the Rapido Trains Inc. Mystery Box, the 2025 one. Now, last year's box was really good, even though I got the engine road name screwed up, saying Lehigh Valley, and the road name was actually Great Northern, and I did not mean to make the Canadians upset because I called a togue a turbine, or took a turbine. Yeah, shut up, Dad.
Okay, it took.
Took turbine. Hopefully I won't get the road name wrong this time.
Eh?
Eh? They are a Canadian company. Alright. Do not try this at home, kids. I've got a sharp knife. If this table will be steady for me, I can make it.
Should just go ahead and open them up.
Make a cut.
Give me a knife.
Hang on, no, I got it. I got it. Alright. Yes. Ah, there we go. There we go. Thank you. Now, I hate to say, but we went ahead and... Oh, no, we haven't opened it.
Here we go.
Well, here's the invoice. I don't want my address being leaked.
Okay.
Looky here. What we got in this mystery box. There's the beanie or toboggan they promised. It is teal. Rapido Trains teal. It's lovely. Mom said she liked this, didn't you, Mom?
I love that. Yes.
Yep. I'll just set it right here. And this, which is they call it a tumbler, but it's a whiskey glass.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, Dave.
Back in the saddle again.
But yeah, that's a pretty tumbler. I got my finger smudges all over. But anyway. Yeah, we're good. And let's see, I got some freight cars and an engine with this DC and sound engine. Let's see what I got. I got a Boston and Maine USRA DS 40-foot boxcar that has outside bracing. No, wait. No, it's wooden. It's not one of the... I figured I had one of the outside brace cars. And another boxcar, also wooden USRA DS 40-foot boxcar. That one's for the Atlantic coastline. Got this no flatbed car piggyback trailer for the New Haven. And what sucks is Rapido stopped doing the chocolate, so calm down, Mommy. Calm down, Mommy. I'm sorry. So they gave us a little Hanukkah coin that's made out of chocolate and this sticker that says, I ordered a mystery box for the chocolate. And all I got was this lousy sticker. And another boxcar. It's a Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western 40-foot in the Phoebe Snow lettering. Let's see. And now, before we look at the locomotive, we gotta find the chocolate coin. Chocolate coin. Packing peanuts, packing peanuts, packing peanuts. Yeah.
You don't get a coin now. You get a sticker.
Well, no. Everybody said there was a coin in it.
Daddy ate it.
Yeah, Dave, I don't doubt it. Never mind.
Okay.
Now the locomotive. It is a Fairbanks Morris H16-44. It is Nick, and they can hear you whispering.
Okay.
It is nicknamed a baby train master from Sterling. And let's see, do I get the road name right? Yes, I do, because I'm looking right at it. Baltimore and Ohio Railroad, engine number 9741. It is by Fairbanks Morris, called a baby train master, for those who didn't know. Now we'll go ahead and unwrap this thing. It's just, oh, nice. Got a protective casing. Nice. Modeling for 1957 to present, DCCN sound with DSU lock sound and Mo power capacitors.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. I will stack it up as best I can on this table. And look at that. I finally get to be the cameraman now. There's the New Haven piggyback trailer, no flatbed, the locomotive, the Atlantic Coastline boxcar, and the Lackawanna and Boston and Maine boxcars. Had quite a haul this Christmas. And opening it on Christmas Eve of all times.
Mm-hmm.
That's it for now. Merry Christmas.